Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving into a less common but beautifully descriptive word, fructuous. So, what does a fructuous mean? In English, fructuous refers to something that is fruitful or productive. It's often used to describe efforts or actions that yield positive results or abundant rewards. According to the dictionary, fructuous is an adjective derived from the Latin word fructuosus, meaning fruitful. It's synonymous with terms like productive, fruitful, profitable, and bountiful. Let's take a closer look at some synonyms. Words like fertile, generative, and prolific carry similar meanings, emphasizing the idea of producing abundant outcomes. For example, you might say, the farmer's fructuous lands yielded a bountiful harvest this season. Or, their fructuous collaboration resulted in several groundbreaking discoveries. That's all for today's exploration of a fructuous. Remember, enriching your vocabulary with such nuanced words can greatly enhance your communication skills and expression. Stay tuned for more linguistic adventures here on Thesaurus Thrive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more word wonders.